Pledge of loyalty. Raise your right hand. Fellow graduates, please repeat after me. Pledge of loyalty. We, the graduates of Batch 2024, do hereby promise everlasting loyalty to our alma mater, Butad Elementary School, under whose guidance we have been molded into what we are today, committed to the Christian ideals of love, justice, and charity. We pledge to live a fruitful and edifying life. We pledge to the best of what we are in the kingdom of the Almighty. So help us God.